Welcome. If you want to change lock method on your Huawei P30 Lite, let's move to the settings. Then we have to enter security and privacy. And as you can see here, we have a couple of options like fingerprint ID, face recognition, lock screen password. So let's go with lock screen password. Type on the change lock screen password. Currently it is set up on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can change it to the 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 9. We have to confirm. So again, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. And right now, when we are going to lock our screen and try to unlock, we have to input our new screen pin. And this is how it works. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments, and subscribe to our channel.